Have you ever bought a PLR bundle? You may have been lured in by a glitzy sales page, with a compelling headline, and awesome graphics. Often the PLR marketers say things like, use this to build your list and generate sales. Include this in an offer to your subscribers and customers. Or, you can simply copy and paste the content then sell the ebook on Amazon. Many people buy PLR products, without knowing the risks. Consider this statement from Amazon Content Guidelines. We may choose not to sell a public domain book if its content is undifferentiated, or barely differentiated from one or more other books. Often PLR buyers are tricked into believing generating new money and more traffic with their purchase will be super easy. They act as if they hired a ghostwriter to create content exclusively for their business. Nothing could be further from the truth. There are hundreds and sometimes thousands of buyers of the same material. So when you upload the content to your website, don't expect to immediately land on the first page of Google. You can add a PLR article on your blog with the intent to drive traffic. But how much do you know about search engine optimization? Have you done keyword research, or checked the cost per click advertisers are willing to pay? Have you rewritten the majority of the content to make it unique to your own voice and audience? These are some of the basic requirements you will need to complete if you want to avoid wasting your PLR money. Many PLR vendors and sales pages won't say that you need to generate traffic to be successful. But if you miss this element, then chances of success are pretty low. The truth is PLR can be a key part of your business success, but you have to understand the rewarding ways to use it, and avoid those that are not worth your time. If you only work from greed, you will miss the entire opportunity.